Hello, hi, salam, or namaste. Welcome to MQM News Network. We have all grown up in the education system in India, wherein our curriculum has taught us things like geography, taught us things like, moral science. Instead of these subjects, if we were taught things like accounts, just day-to-day accounts, the day-to-day accounts, calculations that we really badly needed, if we were taught that, if perhaps we were taught the day-to-day laws that come into place, that come into effect, that are helpful to us. The basic issue that is arising in India is about divide and rule. While India is a country so rich with diversity, now the conditions have become so bad within states that it seems like you need passports for interstate travel also. And this is something which is ruining the social fabric of India. I think a very important point is the miscommunication that happens because of not understanding each other's language. If we were all taught basic language skills of our national Indian languages, let me remind you, Hindi is not our national language. Yes, Hindi is an official language and we have official languages in India, but Hindi is not our national language. We have several languages and even more dialects across India. And if we want to get together, if we want to have the same wavelength, talk on the same issues and avoid our interstate miscommunication, it's important that we understand each other's language. It is very difficult to learn languages in India because India has some of the toughest languages to pick up. It's an appeal that in schools, if we can have basic understanding of all of our languages across India, of all of our dialects across India, we can all grow up to be a lot more tolerant towards each other's languages, and it will make mingling within each other much easier. Stay tuned into MQM News Network as we keep sharing editorial features like this, where we explore topics around India, social, political, and economic, that affects our country. Jai Bharat, Jai Innovation.